Hello UiPath experts, welcome to the UiPath.learner channel. Thank you very much for subscribe my channel. So today we will see about the UiPath apps. So it's like we have a Windows application, so that's a UI demo, and the same type of applications we have a in UiPath app. See, so we have a UI demo. Not only that, so you can create for any type of applications. So see here, so I have another demo like a the same thing, UiPath app. The app is like a see, so anyway app is triggering the a process. So see here, UiPath demo, UI demo is there. I'm just launching that app. That app is exactly looks like the UI demo only. See here, this is a desktop application, Windows application, and this is a web-based application, so where we have a username and password. And let me try to run the suppose I'm just typing the admin in the UiPath app. I just type the admin in the UiPath app, but see here, so once I just enter the admin, so it automatically entered the admin in the desktop application also. So just type the password. You can make that as a password field, but see, so whenever I just the controls are like a, it is looks like a sync. I'm just clicking the login button here. I just only use applied only for the username and password and login button. So it's like a, suppose for example, so where we are using this kind of things, see, it is a click on that particular login. Okay, so suppose for example one server has the one secure window desktop application is there, but the many users has to access, how they are accessing this in the same way from the desktop, but they have to access the parallelly from the parallelly in the sense they have to access from other system through web. So in that situations we can use this kind of logic. So let us see how we build that one. Okay, let me close and open this again and type the username and password. See here, so I'm in the middle, I'm just making this as a, okay, basically this is a FB FG is my process name. So I'm just saying that admin enter. So once the change event happens, this FG will executed, and it will I write a code like a, so if it is a admin text box changes, password text box changes, apply the password, type into admin means admin, type into. Not only that, so you can just do for the check boxes, radio buttons, drop down list, these things and all. So it's like a sync. I'm just clicking the login again. You can see the process is running in the assistant, and process will product the identify there's a click activity is happened, and the same click activity is happening here. But the thing is here, so we have a arguments like a, so what is the control name, and so username and password. See here, these are all the things. And if the control is open, so basically this is a for the page open I wrote. So let us see here, if the control is a username, just type the username here. The password, type the password. What is the click activity login, just click use the click activity. Like that we have to build the all the kind of things means all the elements, and whatever the trigger happens, it has to do that particular action into the Windows system. So I'm just using the UI demo only. Just imagine in the case of you have a lot of menus, a big Windows application is there, but you if you want to access that application, you have to log into that system. But without login to that system through web or through Orchestrator, if you want to operate that application as per your requirement, okay, suppose for example it's not like a type the all the information and click on the submit, it will type the all the things. Okay, here it is like a see here, it is like if I type the passwords, it will only the type the password only. See here, password, enter. Let me stop it. Let me cleaning up. See, Each control we just I mean each control has an action and each control has a describe action we wrote into the UiPath code. Okay, so that is each control it will trigger. So let us see now. I think it's running before we stopped. Let me open again this UI demo. So not only that, this is a small thing, but you can just try it out with the bigger applications. Password, enter the password and just type the enter. It will type the password only into the password field in the Windows application, right? So it's like a we're just making a replica of the same application into the web. Okay, don't think like why we have to do this kind of UI demo.exe. Okay, think like the bigger application. It has a lot of menus. Okay, admin I typed and press enter, so it is the same thing is happening. Whatever the action I am just performing into the UI apps web, the same action. So see here, now I'm just clicking the login button into the UiPath app web application, not in the desktop application. Once I click on that, the process will take that control, which control, and it is happening, it is performing the same type of action. Okay, so thank you very much for that. So you can simply go to these apps, and I'm just showing so how I did. It's very simple, but yeah, anyway, see here we have a control. In this control, in the input override, the in control is a username I just passed. In this control, the input override in control is a password. In this control, in input override in control is a login. Based on that, the if condition will matches and executed that process. Okay, thank you very much. So please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon if you know how to subscribe. So thank you very much for